This is Bestec by M-Care. Bestec is a high-quality product with a special UV sanitizer charging station. This health-protecting toothbrush is very easy to use, so it can be used at home or while traveling. This electric toothbrush is unique because of its ultra-slim wireless charging travel. You can take M-Care with you on all your trips for oral hygiene and fresh breath. The UV light is the most effective way to sanitize your brush. It keeps the toothbrush clean, and also it can help to strengthen our immune system by using UV light that is proven to kill 99% of all germs. M-Care has an IP67 waterproof rating, so it can be safely washed without any concerns. It contains a special timer that the toothbrush comes in a convenient all-in-one travel case, which protects it from dust, no matter whether the case is placed flat or upright. The battery lasts for 21 days on standby, and a single charge will be enough. Automatic hot air dryer keeps the toothbrush dry for extra antibacterial protection. M-Care electric toothbrush works in 3 modes that fit all the user's needs. Standard for a classic clean, soft for sensitive teeth and whitening when they need a powerful brush. It comes in 2 colors and a 24-month warranty, with the now comes Shine, even though the bathroom hasn't changed in a century, so why to spend your time in cleaning the bathroom if it can get cleaned itself? Shine automatically cleans your toilet. Shine is a bathroom assistant that automates toilet cleaning and maintenance, keeping your toilet clean without the use of harmful chemicals. It uses sensors to automatically clean your toilet with electrolyzed water, a non-toxic cleaner that's as effective as traditional bleach. Shine cleans the entire bowl, including hard-to-clean areas like under the wrist. If your toilet is having problems, like a clog, a leak, or taking too long to fill the tank, Shine's AI called Sam will send the problem and the solution to your phone in real time. Sam even estimates how much it will cost to fix the problem. Shine has free video support and will send you repair kits to help you get the job done. You can just simply place it anywhere near the toilet, including behind the toilet if you'd like to hide. Now this is Oral-B IO Series 9. It combines powerful but gentle micro vibrations with Oral-B's unique dentist-inspired round brush head design for a professional clean feeling. Magnetic charger has lock-in-place stability and provides you a 3-hour quick charge, and it also comes with a charging travel case to charge your brush for convenience when the smart pressure sensor helps to keep you from brushing too hard to protect your gums and enamel. Teeth tracking and AI recognition use an interactive color display to help guide you to your best clean for all areas of the mouth. 3D teeth tracking with AI to monitor your brushing across the front, top and back surfaces of your teeth, guiding you to the most thorough possible clean. A 2-minute quadrant timer comes built in that pulsates every 30 seconds, ensuring a complete clean. The unique round brush head from Oral-B with gentle micro vibrations for a fresh clean mouthfeel, and 100. This is U by meon Smart Shower. Controlling your shower just got a whole lot easier with the U by meon Smart Shower, now featuring Amazon Alexa compatibility. These showers allow you to control them with your voice. You can easily start, stop and pause your shower with a simple command. Just ask Alexa and you're ready to go. Use the connected app to set the perfect temperature and save your settings for future use. This way, the shower will know your preference before you even step in. In addition, you can also use the app to start or pause the shower. The app will always notify you when your shower is ready. It's the perfect smart addition to any modern household. Additionally, the customizable shower technology and the app make it a must-have for your everyday life. There is a digital valve in the wall that controls a precise thermostat. This is Simple Human Mirror. It is very thoughtfully designed as per your convenience. It turns on automatically when you look into it, and turns itself off when you leave it. Simple Human Mirror uses Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to connect to an app, so you can adjust its lighting to match preset light tones. Another clever feature in this mirror is a small circular mirror that magnetically sticks in the center of the Sensor Mirror Pro when you need to see something magnified by 10x. When you're done with it, pull it off and stick it to a small hole on the back of the mirror. Its 10x magnification is ideal for close-up work like tweezing or applying eye makeup. Its True Lux light system simulates natural sunlight, allowing you to see full color variation, so you'll know when your makeup is color correct and flawless. And unlike traditional bulbs, our long-lasting LEDs won't burn out or diminish. The mirror folds down flat and the sensor mirror automatically lights up and also features a night shift setting that changes the mirror to a softer, more relaxing tone for sleep. There are also candlelight and nightlight modes, which offer Last in the list is Good Papa. Think about the last time you cleaned your toilet. On a scale of 1 to 10, how afraid were you of touching the toilet brush? For a lot of people, cleaning the toilet brush consists of dumping bleach on it and rinsing it by flushing the toilet several times. This isn't a good way to clean it, nor is it totally sanitary. Good Papa hopes to provide a better solution with the world's first self-sanitizing toilet brush. It is the world's smartest toilet brush built with a powerful motor that is designed to deliver an in-depth cleaning experience of stains while ensuring you're always safe as you use Good Papa. After cleaning the toilet, the Good Papa brush goes back into its storage container, where UV light bombards the bristles from all sides, killing any lingering bacteria on the brush. According to Good Papa, the UVC ray disinfection process kills 99.9% of bacteria within 120 seconds. The container is lifted slightly off the ground so that any drips fall through, and air ventilation ensures real growth. The features of the brush don't stop there, however. The head of the brush spins at 300 RPM to make it easier to clean the toilet. The spinning means you can press and hold the brush against stubborn stains instead of scrubbing and splashing toilet water everywhere. The brush is designed to be soft, so the bristles will not damage the ceramic of the toilet. There is no battery to replace, either. Just plug in the brush to a port on top of the handle.